In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change your signature on a Docusign document. If you've ever needed to update your electronic signature, you know it's an important task, whether you're adjusting it for professional reasons or simply because you've changed your signature style. I'm here to walk you through this process step by step, ensuring it's as seamless and straightforward as possible. Let's begin by navigating to the Docusign website. Open your preferred web browser and type in the URL for Docusign. Once the page loads, look for the login button. It's typically in the upper right hand corner or somewhere easy to find at the top of the page. Click on this to enter your login details. If you're not already a registered user, you might need to set up an account, but assuming you already have one, just go ahead and enter your credentials. After logging in, you'll be directed to your Docusign homepage. This dashboard is the hub of your Docusign activity, from where you can manage your documents, check their statuses, and of course edit your profile. Look around and familiarize yourself with the interface if you haven't already. From here, what you'll want to do is head over to your profile section. You'll find a profile icon or sometimes an option under settings or account. Click on this. Now once you're on your profile, look for the manage profile option. This section houses all your personal settings, including your signature options. Click on manage profile and you'll see a list of options related to your account. One of those key choices will be signatures. Select this to proceed. When you click on signatures, you'll be presented with your current signature options. Look towards the right side of the screen where you'll see an actions button. Click this button and you'll be given a list of options. Select edit from this list. This feature allows you to make changes to your existing signature or replace it with a new one. Once you've clicked edit, you'll be given a chance to adjust your signature. You should see a choose button that allows you to pick a new signature style or perhaps upload a new image of your signature. This option gives you the flexibility to ensure your electronic signature matches your preference or any specific style you require for your documents. Take a moment to review your new signature to check whether it appears as you'd like. Once you're satisfied, simply save the changes, and your new signature will be set for use in all your future Docusign transactions. And there you have it, a refreshed signature ready to go. Thank you for joining me in this guide. With these steps, you now have the power to maintain a signature that's both current and authentically yours.